Hello and welcome to Non-Credit Math 8, Graphs and Lines. I am Tanya Perrone, your instructor for the course, and I'm going to run through how to use the course so that way you can be successful this semester. Here is the course landing page, which gives you a course introduction, the course roadmap, sections to be completed for the course, which are 2 units, quick links, as well as instructor contact information. To start the course, you're going to want to read through the course syllabus entirely to give you a better sense of the course content, expectations, and guidelines. From there, you will want to go to the Modules tab, which you can find in the left menu bar of Canvas. When you click on the modules, it will show you the course content for this course, which is Unit 5 and Unit 6. This is a continuation from Math 7, Algebraic Expressions. Within each unit, you will find the Unit 5 media lessons, the Unit 5 online homework, as well as the unit's student workbook and online quiz. All of this must be complete for each unit. You will start with the unit media lesson. The media lesson goes through the notes needed for the course and videos to show you examples on how to complete. Please complete and watch all videos and take some notes as you are watching the videos. Once you have completed and taken notes on all videos, at the very bottom, there is a media lesson summary that needs to be thoroughly complete. This is worth part of the grade for the media lesson. Without submitting the summary, you will not get full credit. Once you have finished all parts, please remember to hit the Done tab at the top. This will inform you that you have finished the media lesson. The grade that shows is not the final grade you will receive. I go in and hand grade the media lesson to see your summary that you have entered to adjust your points for your grade. Once you have finished the media lesson and you have your notes taken, you'll want to complete the online homework. The online homework consists of problems that you will also want to write down and show your work, as it will be helpful for you when you take the unit quiz. Each question has a video that goes along with it or additional supplemental information to go with the problems in case you need help. You do get multiple attempts, so once you try once, you can, if it is wrong, go back and try again. Make sure you submit your questions. Once you have completed all questions, hit the Done button and you will be done with the homework assignment. It does save your progress as you go through, so you can leave and resume at a later time. The grade that shows for the homework is the grade that you will receive. No additional grading will be done with the homework. Once you have finished the homework, you will move on to the student workbook, which gives you additional problems to practice, and there are answers to go with those problems. This can be handwritten down, as it gives you a document to go off of. If your document does not open, click on the top title and the gray bar at the top, and it will open up in a new screen. Completing all that with your notes in hand, you will then want to take the online quiz. The online quiz is just like the homework. You do get multiple attempts. Please make sure you hit Done when you are finished. Based off of your work that you've completed and the 2 quizzes, I will be able to give you a pass or no pass for the course. That is basically how the course works. You only have the 2 units to complete. If at any point you are stuck or need additional help, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Use this instructor contact information. You can message me through Canvas, which is the quickest way to get a hold of me. Send me an email or post on the Q&A discussion. I wish you the best of luck in this course.